How to add recipients in Mailchimp. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. So basically we want to use Mailchimp to send out emails to our contacts. So let's just go and start by adding recipients. So first you will need to just log in, so let me just go ahead and do that. So after you log in, basically what we need to do is, hold on. Okay, so now that we are in here, so to add recipients, what we need to do is first create our campaign, and then we can just go ahead and add our recipients. So first you would want to go to your campaigns here, and then you just want to go ahead and click on create from the top right. Select which type of campaign you want to go for. I'm just going to go for a regular email in this case. So I'm just going to click on design email. Let's just go ahead and give it a sec. Exit out of here. And here's pretty much where we can add our recipients to this specific campaign. So what we're going to be doing is basically click on add recipients. And then from here, if you already did import your contacts with a specific audience, it should be selected by default. Or if you have multiple different audiences, then you will get to select one of which. So just go ahead and do that. And if you're in my shoes where you can't even, you did not import contacts just yet, then just click on import contacts. Now, once you do that, basically what we want to do is select one of the three methods that are available to add contacts. So the first one is import from another service. So if you have been working on other services with, email marketing stuff, try to go with this option. See if the other service is actually available in here. If yes, then you just need to connect both accounts and you'll be able to basically get all the contacts from that service to Mailchimp. So this option is going to be great for those who already did start their business elsewhere. Now, the other option is pretty much uploading a file. So you can use a CSV file to upload, and it should obviously have data about your contacts. So their email addresses, names, first names, last names, and so on. And they need to be formatted in a proper way to be able to work. Now, if you need to know how to format your file, just go and click on this and it's actually going to show you. And lastly is going to be copy and paste, which is going to be pretty much, you have a list of contacts that you have. You can put it on Excel if you want, and you can just go and copy paste all of them into here with also a proper format that you can feel free to create with Excel. So we can just go for this one, for example, because I did get this sample one from Google. Hopefully it does work. I did not actually test it beforehand. So click on browse and then select it. It's this one right here. Click on continue. And it should actually work. You just need to select the audience you want to add these contacts to. Click on continue. And then here you would want to add tags if you feel like it, and click on continue. And then you can obviously see as a test here. So all of these are just samples. Click on continue one more time. And then you will need to select the status of the email marketing. So whether they're subscribed, unsubscribed, non-subscribed, or cleaned. So I'm just going to leave it as it is and finalize the import. Once this is done, just click on complete import and you should have your recipients ready to go. So we can just go back now to step 1, where we just go back to our contacts and select the recipients as follows. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.